So I have written plenty of packages. One of my packages is part of Emacs, like core Emacs. It's the Modus themes. It's actually the first package I wrote as soon as I switched to Emacs. And a year after, it got merged into core Emacs. So that was surreal at the time. I was like, wow, I can contribute to core Emacs. So I have that, and then plenty of other smaller or larger packages. For example, Denote is one such a package which you have here on Focus.
What is Denote about, and do you recommend it to someone just starting?
No. So generally, to somebody who is just starting, I don't recommend that many packages. Like what we did last time, for example, are a few core packages that improve the absolute essentials of the Emacs experience. So there are a few more of those. I don't mean to say those are exhaustive, but other than that, I don't recommend any packages. I am like, start with the basics, and then through trial and error, figure out what are your needs. And then, of course, you can be like, okay, I have this need. Maybe Denote or whichever package fills in that need, right? It covers that need. Whereas if you just take any package, now we say Denote as an example, like, okay, I give you Denote. You don't yet have the intuition for what could Denote be used for. Maybe you will read this here, but if you have never done this sort of work, you don't know what your requirements are. Like, how do you normally go about doing those tasks? So it won't immediately click. And what will happen in practice is you will copy paste something in your configuration. And then if you do that for everything, you get in the habit of bloating your setup, basically. And then not knowing, okay, what is this doing? I have it there, but I've never used it. So that's why I won't recommend the extra packages. Not because they are not good, but because they are good only if they make sense to you.
Are there any other ones? Because you have a lot, and it's going to take us a long time here, but any ones that you want to mention?
Well, not essential. I wouldn't say any of them are essential. Well, for me, they are. I use all of them, basically. But I would say if you are interested in a good setup for themes, look up one of my theme-related packages. If you are doing anything related to notes or longer-term file storage, check out Denote. And otherwise, check the rest of the packages there. Maybe you will find something that is of interest to you. For me, if I had to pick one package, actually, you skipped past them. One is TMR, which is timers for Emacs, very useful. The other is the one above, right above Substitute. I use that all the time. Like if I had to pick one, let's say, it would have to be one of those.
What is this one about, Substitute?
So the idea with that is that you do very quick search and replace operations without moving the cursor. So it's like, okay, the thing I am on, replace it in the context that I want it to be replaced. And so there is a command such as, well, replace it only in the current function, or replace it from here to the bottom of the buffer, and stuff like that, only on the current line or whatever.
I get it. Okay, so, yeah. I get it.
But of course, you can say that it's a little bit of a gimmick because you can always do that without the package.
Okay. It's just, is it something like this? For example, if I have, let's see, like if I do VI parentheses, something like that, right?
No, not like that. Not like that. So the idea is that imagine you have the word the package in 3 places. So it's like, okay, I want to replace the word package.
Oh, okay.
So it's the word at point, and I want to replace it. But it's actually not the word at point, it's the symbol at point. So the big kind of word.